Imagine only spending $60 on laundry all year. Yeah, while y'all sit here paying rent in the laundry aisle, I'm over here washing clothes like a queen on a clearance budget. And if you got sensitive skin like me and my baby, you can't just grab that cheap stuff because, baby, your eczema gonna be doing a cha-cha slide. So I figured out how to wash my clothes all year for just $60. Let me show you. First, you want to do is go ahead and get this beverage jar from Walmart. I paid about $14, 5 gallons. Listen, I went ahead and added 2 of these HEB Free and Clear Hillsville County. When I tell you I love this stuff, it is that girl. If you got sensitive skin, eczema, or a baby's clothes who got to be softer than a gospel hymn on a Sunday morning. When I tell you this has no dyes, no perfume, you won't have no mystery rashes, and it's budget friendly. It's about $4, and it rinses clean even in hard water. Next, you want to go ahead and get you some Tide Free and Clear, baby. She gonna come through like the Beyonce of the detergent. She's fragrance free, dye free, but still strong enough to knock out any dirt like Mike Tyson in the 90s. And she's also sensitive skin approved and dermatologist approved. It's basically the doctor's note of laundry detergent, baby and kids safe. Perfect for the little ones with skin that reacts to everything. Now let's talk about my girl who been holding me down for years, baby, that ultimate zote, and they just came out with the liquid version. When I tell you the liquid zote is the girl of the girls, forget the pink bar. The liquid zote is her. She's the Beyonce of the budget detergents. Easier, smoother, no grating, no bars. Like you cooking cheese, just pour, mix, and boom, you in business. And I'll be real with y'all. Yeah, she does turn yellow once you mix her in with the other laundry detergent, but don't get it twisted. Just add some hot water to this mixture, because baby, guess what? She's still sensitive skin friendly and still free and clear. The color might change, but the vibes don't. Clothes still come out fresh, clean, soft, like your grandma folded them herself. Now, in the middle of recording this video, I realized that only 2 of the free and clear of the Hills County laundry detergent wasn't enough. So I went back to HEB and got this really big one that's 220 loads and added it in. Baby, you're gonna need at least about 8 of them, or 10, or just get 2 of these big ones and you should be fine. You want to go ahead and add it in along with the Zote and the Tide, and the boom, there you go. Now, after adding all the laundry detergent of your choice, is where we go from a regular mix to elite level. You want to add 1 cup of washing soda, not baking soda, to 4 cups of hot water. Stir it until it dissolves. Then pour it straight into your 5-gallon mix. It's a power cleaner. It breaks down grease, oils, and heavy stains. Softens the water. It balances out hard water so your detergent actually works better. It's also an odor killer. It wipes out that musty smell, that sweat, funk, and left in the washer for too long smell as well. It gets the job done. After you add your washing soda, don't sleep on that borax. Take 1 cup of laundry borax, dissolve it into 4 cups of hot boiling water. Pour it into the 5-gallon of laundry detergent. Borax is an odor neutralizer. It knocks out deep smells like mildew, smoke, sweat that regular detergent can't touch. It's a stain fighter. It helps break down acidic stains like tomato sauce, coffee, and wine. So after you add all your laundry detergent, washing soda, and borax, go ahead and pour 12 cups of hot water into the mix. Why? That liquid, the Zote, is thick, y'all, like cornbread batter or pancake mix thick. If you leave it as is, your detergent is going to be gloopy and it's going to be hard to pour. Adding the hot water thins it out so that it flows smoothly through the barrel. Right here is optional. If you want to keep it strictly free and clear, that's your business. But me, this is my shit. I like to throw some Downy perfume fabric softener. I like my clothes smelling like a whole Bath and Body Works aisle, okay? Keep in mind, it does not break us out, but everybody's skin is different. So if you're super sensitive or you're doing this hack for your baby clothes, maybe you want to skip this. If not, pour that in and flex, because I like my clothes to smell clean, smell good. It just hit different. At the end of the day, if you want to keep it free and clear, it's extra safe. If you want to add Downy, extra little smell good. Either way, it's your mix. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to follow your girlfriend